So guys, let's take a look at EURGBP. So make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed, like, and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. So when you take a look at this movement, right, we would want to apply the rules of trading in this EURGBP, especially on the daily time frame. What you clearly can see, or what you want to ask yourself, is that what is the trend for this movement? Is it an uptrend move? Is it a downtrend move, or is it a ranging market move? So we clearly can see that this market is ranging. So we can see movement like this as a resistance. Let me make this very wide. So you can see that this is a resistance level, and this level down is a support level, right? Anytime we see price comes to our resistance level, we tend to see a reaction downward. It will go to our support level, then it will react, give us a bullish move to our resistance level, then again react, go to our support level. So it is doing that back and forth, right? So we can clearly see that this price is now, we actually opened and closed bullish on EURGBP. So the next day also, we should expect this price to open and close bullish. Then maybe on Wednesday, we can now expect a drop on this EURGBP. So this EURGBP, we are still on a bullish move. Let's see this bullish move come to take out this resistance level, right? That price has been reacting to. We can see this huge candlestick wick here. I think this is a level of 0.88170. So let me highlight it or mark it. 170. Okay, 0.88170. So guys, watch out for a bullish move to a level of 0.88170 on EURGBP. Then once price can cut to hit that level, then we should now be expecting a drop on EURGBP. Secondly, we can still see this price is still above our moving average, and we all know that once this price is above our moving average, clearly this is a buy movement. It is an uptrend move. So since it is still above our movement, our moving average, then we still consider this as a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So you can take a look at this. Let's start it from here. You can see this impulse move, and here will be given as a correction, then a new highs, and let's see this correction would be made. After that, the final highs needs to be made, whereby it will come to take a level of 0.88170. Once our EURGBP can take out that level, then we can now start experiencing a bearish move or a drop on EURGBP. So the next day, guys, we are still speculating a bullish move. So price to open and close bullish. And let's see if the next day we're able to take out this candlestick wick, which I think so. So let's see if we'll be able to take it out the next day. And we can also see on the 4-hour time frame, price is trading above our 10-period moving average. So since it is still trading on our moving average, on the 10-period moving average, then this is still a bullish move. And lastly, 1-hour time frame, we can see this price is starting to give us that uptrend move. So we can go ahead to take the buy and take out this huge candlestick wick. Let's see if we can take it out for the day on EURGBP.